Salutations, Nyasha. So today I'd like to do a review. This is something that we've done, but we need to, I wanted to review and practice it. I'm not certain if you have been doing it, but it's something that's important. It's counting decimals. And counting decimals is another way to also count money, calculating money, because that's where we use decimals. Because what decimals represent a fraction of a whole. So we've been talking about fractions, so it's the same principle. A decimal is a fraction. It's a part of a whole. It's not a whole number. It's a portion of it. So cents are a portion of a dollar. Okay, cents. So if you remember, you was like, "Mommy, I have change. I have." So quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. Those are a fraction of a dollar. Now there is a whole silver dollar, but I mean a silver dollar or a dollar coin, but but those aren't frequently in circulation, meaning you don't get those often, and if you do, someone will let you know. Usually they'll tell you, oh, that's a dollar, but for the most part, a dollar is a bill. Okay, and the change, whether it be a penny, a nickel, a dime, or quarter, or 50-cent piece, those are fractions of a dollar. Okay, so when you look at a number, okay, and it's a decimal, anything that's in front of the decimal is a whole number. Anything that is behind the decimal is a fraction of a number. Okay? So in front of the decimal is a whole number. Behind the decimal is a fraction of a number. Okay? In front of the decimal is a whole number. Behind the decimal is a fraction of a number. Okay? So when you add, what you're looking to do, just like if you're adding hundreds or if you're adding any other number, you are lining up the columns. Okay? So it's the same thing. You have ones, tens, and instead of hundreds, because it is hundreds in terms of cents, but in terms of decimals, this is the whole number. So it's a whole dollar. Okay? So, and we line up the decimal, and you drop the decimal down when you add. So the only thing that's different is you're adding. Oh, I forgot to do roll call. I do it all the time. Who's brilliant? You are. Who's an amazing scholar? You are. Who is talented? You are. Who is gifted? You are. Who is blessed from the crown of her head to the sole of her feet? You are. You're absolutely amazing in every sense of the word, okay? All right, so now let's add our first decimal. So I want you to tell me what this number is. So let's look at the number. The number is $1.25. So you have $1.25. What are we adding to it? $2.30. You have $1.25 plus $2.30. Let's add. Okay. We would add just like if we were adding a whole number. So that means we add ones to ones, tens to tens, and then anything in front of the decimal accordingly. Okay? So now, 5 plus 0 equals what? 5. Because if you have 5 and you add nothing, you still have 5, correct? Good. What's 2 plus 3? You got it, 5. What's 1? And now, we have to add our decimal, drop our decimal down. What's 1 plus 2? 3. Absolutely. So we have $3.55. So if I have $1.25 and I add $2.30, what I have in the end is $3.55. Okay? So $1.25 plus $2.30 equals $3.55. Okay? Very good. Let's look at the next number. What is 5 plus 5? 10. Very good. Then I carry over the 1. What's 7 plus 2? 9. But I added 1. I had to carry over 1. So that means it's not 7 plus 2, it's 7 plus what? 3, or 7 plus 2 plus 1. So that's going to be what? 10. Very good. So I carry over my 1. Now I had to carry over a 1 over the decimal. So I dropped my decimal down and I carried over. Now, so we're here. We're looking in the whole number column. I have a 1, a 3, and a 1. What's the answer? 5. Correct. So if I have $3.75 and I add $1.25, my final answer is $5. Okay, let's look at the next one. Now, again, it's $5.85 plus $3.30. $5.85 plus $3.30. You can go ahead and write that down. Okay, so now let's add. You have $5.85 up top, which means you have 5.85. Then beneath it, you're going to add 3.30. And you add your equal sign. Very good. Okay, what's 5 plus 0? What's 8 plus 3? Did you say 11? That's correct. I have to drop my decimal. Now, what's 5 plus 3? 8. Very good. Now, 5 plus 3 is 8, but I added a 1 up to the top. So I have to add that in, just like I was regrouping normally. Okay, so what is that going to give me? 9. Very good. Okay, so now what I have here is that $5.85 plus $3.30 will give me $9.15. Okay, $5.85 plus $3.30 will give me $9.15. Okay, and you don't have to use your calculator. You don't have to use a calculator. This is really, I want you to add this manually. Okay, because this is a part of you going to the store. So one of the lessons I want to do is to get a sales paper, because we've done that previously, but we need to do it again. And when you add, or you go in and you say, Mommy, I have $2 and I want to buy something for $1.25, you should be able to add that up to know how much change you should get back. Okay, and that's an important skill for you to have. All right, so now let's look down here. Okay, let's look here. All right, if we had $4.20 and we added $4.80, what would we have? Again, $4.20 up top, and then you're adding $4.80. Okay, let's take a look. 0 plus 0 would be what? 0. 2 plus 8 is what? 10. I have to carry over. 4 plus 4 is what? You got it. 4 times 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. Very good. Now, to 8, I'm going to add 1. So I have what? 9. Very good. Okay. All right, now let's look at this one. What is 0 plus 0? 0. What's 3 plus 7? Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 more is what? 11. Very good. So if you have 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 7 is 10, we carried over 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. That's 11. So $11. So if I have $9.30 and I add $1.70, my ending result is $11. Okay. Let's look at the next one. we have $8.25 plus $7.91. Okay. $8.25 plus $7.91. Okay. How do we add that? Very simple. What's 5 plus 1? You got it. 6. So we start with the fraction, the decimal. Okay. So everything behind the decimal we add, everything in front of the decimal we add together. Okay. Now, what's 2 plus 9? Did you say 11? You're correct. Now, we drop our decimal down and we carry the 1 over, just like we were adding normally. Now, we have 1 plus 8 plus 7. So, 8 plus 7 is 15. If I add 1 more, how much do I have? 16. Very good. So now, if I had $8.25 and I added $7.91, how much would I have? $16.16. Okay? All right. Now, pause. We're going to do decimals again, and this time we're going to do some subtraction with decimals, okay? So, in the meantime, I'll give you 3 problems for you to do, and then when I come back on, I'll give you the answer to those, and then we'll do some subtraction with decimals, okay? Okay. All right, so I'd like you to add $7.80 plus $6.50. I'd also like you to add $10.25 plus $9.75. And lastly, I'd like to see you add $12.30 plus $9.55. Okay? So this is what you're looking to add. Again, anything before the decimal is a whole number. Anything after the decimal is a fraction of a number. Okay? So you have $7.80 plus $6.50. Then I want you to add $10.25 plus $9.75. Okay. And last but not least, you're going to add $12.30 plus $9.55. Okay. So $12.30 plus $9.55. Okay. Look at this one, $7.80 plus $6.50. Here, $10.25 plus $9.75. Okay, so go ahead and answer these questions, and then what I'll do is I'm going to set up the subtraction problems, and when we come back, we'll do the subtraction, and we will look at the responses. Oh, actually, I'll do subtraction on a different video. We'll focus on answering these because the video is already at 14 minutes. So go ahead, answer these. I'm going to give you about 3 more minutes, 4 more minutes, 5 minutes to answer it, and then we'll start again, okay? All right. Okay, so now you should have completed all your problems, okay? So the first problem was what? $7.80 plus $6 and what? 50 cents. Okay? So what did you have? 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 8 plus 5 is what? 13. And you carried the 1. 7 plus 6 is what? 13. And you add 1. That's what? $14.30. Very good. Let's look at the second problem. If you have $10.25 and you add $9.75, how much would you have? 5 plus 5 is 10. You carry the 1. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry the 1. You have a 10 again. You carry the 1. 20. So $10.25 plus $9.75 is equal to $20. Okay, let's look at the next one. You have $12.30 plus $9.55. Okay, 0 plus 5 is what? 5. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. 2 plus 9 is 1. You carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have $21.85. Okay, so all three of them, the main thing is we align our numbers by ones, tens. That's the fraction. Anything in front of the decimal is the whole number, and you align it the same way. Ones, tens, and hundreds, and you add. Okay? So we've done this previously. And if you'd like, your dad can give you some practice problems to do so that you can continue to develop it, or you can watch the video as many times as you like and do it over and over again. It's not a problem. The more you practice, the better you'll get. You're not practicing for perfection, you're practicing for excellence. And I believe that you can do anything that you put your mind to. So that will conclude our the math session, this particular math session. Be on the lookout for more, and feel free to rewatch it, rewind it, leave a comment if there's anything that was unclear or inconcise or confusing, or call me because I miss you and I love you very much. Hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and I can't wait to speak to you again. Peace. Did I say I love you? Okay. I love and appreciate you. Peace.